I love having homemade bone broth on hand during these cold winter months. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. I'm using my slow cooker and the bones of a rotisserie chicken. And then I'm just adding in some cut up onion that I had in the fridge. Also, I keep veggie scraps in my freezer for this occasion. We're going to add in some minced garlic, some salt, some pepper, and whatever seasonings you like. I've got Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, oregano, some dried thyme, some rosemary. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Cover this with water. You also want to add in a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That's going to extract the good collagen and nutrients off those bones. You're going to want to cook this on low for at least 24 hours. Once that's done, just strain out all of your liquid. Let it come to room temperature, and then you're ready to fill your containers. I use mason jars or some freezer containers. This will keep in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or in your freezer for 3 to 6 months. This is perfect to add to soups or just to enjoy in a mug by itself.